everyone, in today's behind the scenes we are doing another film photo shoot. I'm super excited. We're going to be using the Yashica 635, which is a medium format twin lens reflex camera. So this camera takes 120 film and I'm going to be using Portra 160 today. Hopefully that's going to be enough ISO for the location that we're shooting in. It is a forest and it's a bit overcast today, so I'm really hoping it's going to be enough. Today's model is Adelaide. Lydia's done makeup and Dan is behind the camera filming. Very excited to get started, so let's begin. Okay. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Okay, so for this first one, I need you to stay quite still. Thinking for the first shot, if you wanted to have this is mirrored. I thought you were facing that way. It's so weird. So if you could have both your arms up. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna focus. Ready? Cool. So since this camera doesn't have a light meter, I have my Sony A7III and I've put on the Zeiss 50mm f1.4 and I'm going to use this to meter the lighting a little bit just to make sure I'm getting the right exposure on the film photos. So I'm just going to put my ISO at 160, my f-stop at 3.5, and then I'll adjust my shutter depending on the location we're shooting on and then mimic the settings just here. I can change the shutter speed on the Yashica as well. Get a little bit closer up for this shot. Maybe you could grab like your arm and can you twist your shoulders a little towards me? Yeah. Okay, ready? Could you crouch in that spot as well? That looks so cool there. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. In this video, I want to share with you all the photos I took, even the shots that are out of focus. And then right at the end, I also am going to share with you my favorite bunch of photos that I took. That looks really cool with your head tilted that way. Yeah, let me get focus. Maybe a bit closer up actually. 2, 3. Let's go out into the light a little bit more, just in case I had to be shooting at 1/60. Yeah, hopefully there was no motion blur. Oh, that's nice there. Maybe in the little bushes again. Okay, let's have a look if this is brighter. Still pretty much the same, 1/60. Wow, that looks so cool. Can you keep your head like that, but glance with your eyes at me? 1, 2, 3. We have 12 photos, we're up to 6, halfway. If you have your hand hanging down, oh, that's getting in my way. 2. So I get 12 photos out of this Yashica 635. So I am trying to get a variety of shots from full body photos to close up and some mid-length photos. I want to try a little bit of movement as well. And I want to try some creating some foreground blur with some of the trees too, which I see in that location that I really want to use next. So I think maybe you're facing your shoulders towards me. Yeah, I love that. Okay, 2, 3. We're up to 8. Oh, that looks really nice. Oh yeah, that looked really nice with your eyes closed and your hands up. Can you try tilting your head the other way? Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3. And I want to try and shoot through like some of these leaves here. So maybe if you stand there and I'll shoot through this side. Can you take one tiny step that way? Oh yeah, that's good with your head up because the light hits your face really nicely. 1, 2. Yeah, I'll get some digital ones of you here, because it's a really pretty spot. While we're taking these digital photos, I wanted to mention that I got my film developed and scanned at a Sydney lab. I'm really happy with the quality of the scans. They're much more detailed and sharper than my typical scans at home. I want to get some full body shots. I can shoot a bit faster with this camera, like if you could move the dress around. Just here, if you stand in that little area. I just love how this is just like a carpet, you know? Yeah, that looks awesome. Yeah, I love that little toss of the skirt. And did you want to try some with your arms, out? Love that. Beautiful. Can I get you out here, please? I'm trying to find places where there's like a lot of light, but I think here it should be okay. This one over 100, one over 80, okay. I did a little bit of color correction on the film photos before retouching them. So here's a before and after so you can see what I did. I just felt like the original scans looked a little bit brown. I have to try to be at the same level because it's like the twin lens. If I have it at a bit of an angle, I don't want my framing to be off, so hopefully these will look good. I love that. Okay, ready? And I'll come in for like a close-up as well. This is a full body shot. That looks beautiful. Could you, if you kick kind of one leg back so the dress, it looks larger. If you keep your body like that, but twist your shoulders a little towards me, yeah. I love all the, like the different angles, looks really cool. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, could you lift the back arm up a little bit more? Yeah, that's cool. Ready? If you lay down but lean your arm like on the grass, if that's okay. Actually, that looked really cool. If you could lift yourself up like a little bit like that. And then I think looking at me for this one. And then I think I'll shoot like this way as well. I'll get it closer up with that as well because that looked really nice. Yeah, I love that leaning over and then with your head tilted back that way looked really nice. Since I took some photos that looked very, very similar on digital and film, I want to put them up side by side and I'd love to know which ones you guys prefer out of both of them. 2, 3. That looks cool. I like that. We're on 10. 2 more. Let's go down that little footpath. There's like some ferns and stuff that look cool there. Okay, ready? So that is it for today's photo shoot on the Yashica. I would love to know what you guys thought of the photos down in the comments below. Right now, I have no idea how these photos turned out because I still need to send them to get developed and then I still need to edit them. But you guys would have seen them throughout the video, so I'd love to know which ones were your favorites and what you thought. And also if you'd like to see more shoots on this, because this was really, really fun to shoot with. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I make new videos every single week, so I will see you all next time. Bye.